In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of AI in Microsoft Excel, focusing on the transformative Copilot features that are reshaping the way we manage and understand data. Let's dive into how you can make the most of these cutting-edge tools and streamline your data analysis tasks. First, we'll explore Analyze Data. Begin by highlighting the data range you want to examine. Once your data is selected, navigate to the Analyze Data button, which you'll find easily on your toolbar. By clicking this, you unleash a powerful AI tool that provides insights without the legwork you'd traditionally put in. Imagine having charts, trends, and summaries generated automatically. It's like having a personal data analyst at your disposal, pointing out patterns and highlights you might otherwise miss. You can also use natural language prompts if you have specific questions or insights you're aiming to reveal. This feature rapidly transforms raw data into valuable information, painting a clearer picture of what your dataset is trying to communicate. Next, let's delve into the AI Copilot feature. Copilot is embedded directly in the Excel interface for easy access. You can spot the Copilot as an icon on the home ribbon or as a sparkle icon that appears next to your selected cells. Think of Copilot as your assistant. It's there to help you perform complex tasks with ease. This AI tool can suggest or generate formulas using natural language. Instead of deciphering complex formula syntax, just tell Copilot what you need. Whether it's calculating a sum, finding an average, or any other function, let the Copilot take the heavy lifting off your shoulders. Creating visualizations is another domain where Copilot shines. Whether you need a chart, a graph, or a pivot table, Copilot can generate these visual tools upon request. Just tell Copilot what type of visualization you need, and watch as it constructs your chart or table, offering a visual perspective that might bring hidden insights to the surface. Moreover, Copilot assists with formatting, filtering, sorting, and highlighting data, chores that can sometimes feel tedious and overwhelming. With simple prompts, you can instruct Copilot to clean up your dataset, making it not only more presentable, but also easier to interpret. Furthermore, Copilot analyzes datasets for trends, outliers, or summaries much like the Analyze Data feature. Just prompt it to scan through your dataset for those anomalies or summaries to get a comprehensive view all in one glance. Throughout your interaction with Excel, these AI features effectively transform how you handle data, making your workflow smarter, faster, and more intuitive. As you become more familiar with using AI in Excel, you'll notice that tasks that once seemed laborious gradually become quick and efficient. Practice and experiment with the Copilot and Analyze Data features to find new ways to complement your data analysis. That's it for today's walkthrough. We hope you found this introduction helpful and empowering for your future Excel projects. Happy analyzing!